Mom and I wanted to do something nice for you for all your hard work you've been doing the last couple of months fighting this pandemic, and we know you'd never do something like this for yourself, so we nominated you for a free custom closet giveaway.
What?
And
Hi, Emily.
What? So they ran a contest called Nominate a Nurse, and they were asking for online nominations of nurses and a little bit of a kind of backstory. And so I nominated you.
Really appreciate it. You know, when I see my patient struggle and I'm able to help them, it makes me super excited. And people like you being on our side and support us, that's more exciting also for all of us, that I'm excited to be in the position to help other people.
Instead of one closet, we are giving away 5 closets.
We did a Nominate a Nurse campaign, and I just want to read something to you really quick. My wife, Emily, is an ICU nurse. I've always been in awe of her hard work and determination as a nurse, but also her dedication to her patients. The way she has stepped up and faced this pandemic head on has me in complete amazement. We sure appreciate all that you do. And so you are the winner of a custom closet makeover for your new home.
I don't even know what to say. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So congratulations. We just really wanted to take an opportunity to honor people like you, honor the work that you're doing, protect the rest of your community. And really from the bottom of our hearts, we want to thank you for everything you do. So thanks a lot.